Hello and welcome to this channel, and in this video we are discussing about data science. So what is data? So data is a collection of information, and one purpose of data science is to structure the data, making it interpretable and easy to work with. Data can be categorized into two groups: structured data and unstructured data. Unstructured data is not organized. We must organize the data for analysis purposes. Structured data. So structured data is organized and easier to work with. So how to structure data? We can use an array or a database table to structure or present data. So it is common to work with very large data sets in data science. Then Python. Python is a programming language widely used by data scientists. Python has inbuilt mathematical libraries and functions, making it easier to calculate mathematical problems and to perform data analysis. Python libraries. So Python has libraries with large collections of mathematical functions and analytical tools. Pandas. This library is used for structured data operations like import CSV files, create data frames, and data preparation. Then NumPy. This is a mathematical library and has a powerful n-dimensional array object, linear algebra, Fourier transform, etc. Matplotlib. This library is used for visualization of data. SciPy. This library has linear algebra modules. So this was a brief discussion on data science, and we will discuss more on data science in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.